Hello students, welcome back to TMI's home-based education. The last video we started with LCM, and in that we had studied two methods. First was prime factorization method and second was division method. So in that, till question number second, third one we had finished. Fourth onwards we have to start, as I had told you to do it in the homework, but still I am doing it again here in the video. So the first one is 527 and 323. So not go by 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. So it is not by 3. 5 7 nahi hoga. It is not divisible by 7 also, because 7 sevens are 49. 3 and 7 37, not possible. 11 also not possible. 13 also it will not go, it will go by 17. So 17 3s are is 51. 1 and 7 17, so 17 1s are is 17. Now 31 is already a prime number, so 31 1s are it's 31. The same way दिस विल ऑल्सो गो बाई 17 ओनली. हमेशा एक चीज़ याद रखनी है, जब भी आप LCM HCF कुछ भी फाइंड आउट करें उसमें कॉमन तो होगा ही, कुछ ना कुछ तो कॉमन होगा. नथिंग विल बी नॉट कॉमन, इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. लाइक हियर इट इज़ 17, हियर ऑल्सो इट विल गो बाई 17. So 17 1s are is 17 and 32 minus 17 means 15. So 153 and 17 9s are is 153. So 19 1s are 19, because 19 is already a prime number. So we'll write 527 is equal to 17 into 31 and 323 is equal to 17 into 19. So therefore LCM is equal to 17 is common, then 19 and 31. So now we have to multiply all of them. So 17 into 19, so 9 7s are is 30, sorry 9 7s are is 63, 6 9 plus 6 is 15, 0 7 1, so 3 and 3. Now what is remaining? 31 is remaining. So 3 1s are is 3, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 0 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6 7, 3 3s are 9. So 3 9 plus 2 11. So 1 9 plus 3 6 plus 3 9 plus 1 10. So 1 9 plus 10. So the answer comes to 10,030 is the LCM of that number. Now fifth one, it's 945 and 2115. नंबर बड़ा है, देख के डरना नहीं है. इट विल बी divisible by some of the other number. 945. So 9 plus 4 is 13, 13 plus 5 18, मतलब 3 से होगा. So 3 3s are 9 हो गया. 3 1s are 3, so 1 and 5 15, 3 5s are 15. 5 plus 1 6 plus 3 and again 3 से होगा. 3 1s are 3, 0 15, so 3 5s are is 15. 5 plus 1 6, अभी भी 3 से होगा. So 3 3s are 9, 1 and 5 15, so 3 5s are is 15. अब 3 से नहीं होगा, it will go by 5, 7s are and 7 1s are. Same way we will find out here. 2 से तो नहीं होगा. 5 6 7 plus 2 9, 3 से होगा. So 3 7s are is 21, 0 3 5s are is 15. ये 0 क्यों लगा रहा, that also I will show it. 3 7s are is 21, 0 0. ये 1 नीचे आएगा according to the rule, but 1 is not divisible by 3. So for that we have to put 0. Now 5 will come down. So 3 5s are 15. Now 7 plus 5 is 12, so again it will go by 3. 3 2s are is 6, 1 and 0, 10. 3 3s are is 9, 1 and 5, 15. So 3 5s are is 15. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 2, 10. 3 से नहीं होगा, it will go by 5. So 5 4s are is 20, 3 and 5 35, 7s are, and 47 is already a prime number. So 945 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7, and 2115 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5 into 47. So therefore LCM is equal to 3 is common, 3 is common, then 5 is common. Now what is not common, that we'll write. So 3 is not common, 7 is not common, and 47 is not common. Now we have to multiply all this. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 into 7 5s are 35. So 27 into 35, 5 7s are 35, 3, 5 2s are 10 plus 3, 13. Then 0 3 7s are 21, so 2, 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8, 5 4 9. Now into 47, so 7 5s are 35, 3 7 4s are 28 plus 3 is 31. So 3 7 9s are 63 plus 3 is 66. 0 4 5s are 20, 2 4 4s are 16 plus 2, 18, 1 4 9s are 36 plus 1 37. So 5 1 8 plus 6 is 14, 1 6 plus 1 7 7 7 4 7 7 is 14, 1 and 4. So the answer comes 44,450. That is the answer for fifth one. Now sixth one, it's 920 and 940. So 920, 940, go by 2, 2 4s are 8, 1 and 2 12, so 2 6 are 12, 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 0, gain by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are, sorry, 2 1s are 2 again, 1 and 0, so 2 5s are 5 6 and 7, so it will go by 5, 5 2s are 10, 1 and 5 15, so 5 these are 15 and 23 is already a prime number. Here also it will go by 2 because the last digit is 0, so 2 4s are 8, 1 and 4 14, so 2 7s are 14, 0, again by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 1 and 0, so 5s are 5 plus 3 8 plus 2 10, 3 से नहीं होगा, so we'll go by 5, 5 4s are is 20, 3 and 5 35, 7s are, and 47 is already a prime number, so 47 ones are 47. 920 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 23. 940 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 47. So now what is common, that we will find out. LCM is equal to 2 is common, again 2 is common, 5 is common. Now what is not common? 1 2 is not common, 23 is not common, and 47 is also not common. Now 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20 2s are 40. So we'll do 23 इंटू 4, वो 40 का जीरो हम लास्ट में लगा देंगे। 4 3 ज़ा 12, 1 4 2 ज़ा 8 प्लस 1 9, वो जीरो लग जाएगा। नाउ बाय 47, so 7 zeros are 0, 7 2s are 14, 1, 9 sevens are 63 plus 1, 64, 0, 4 zeros are 0, 4 2s are 8, and 4 9s are 36, 0, 4, 8 plus 4 is 12, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 1, 13, 1. So it comes to 43,240 is the answer for your sixth sum. Now what we'll start, that will be a division method, 7th onwards. So division method, first 15, 20, 25 and 35. See, this method is just for learning how to find out prime factorization, but in most of जब हम LCM का use करेंगे, we will use this method only. Now here first we'll go by 2, क्योंकि 22 से हो सकता है, तो 15 को हम वैसा का वैसा रखेंगे। जो डिवाइड नहीं हो सकता है उसको वैसे ही लिख देना है। 2 10s are 20, 25 वैसा का वैसा, 35 भी वैसे ही लिखेंगे। Now again by 2, 15 as it is, 2 5s are 25 and 35 as it is। अब इसमें से कोई भी 3 से होगा, 5 plus 1 6, ये 3 से होगा, so 3 5s are, ये 5 as it is आएगा, 25 भी as it is आएगा, 35 भी as it is। Now it will go by 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25 and 5 7s are। Now we'll go by 5, ये 1 वही रहेगा, it will become 1 and 7। Now what is remaining? 7 आ गया। Now we have to just multiply this, therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 7. So 5 5 is 25, 25 4 is 100. Okay, I am multiplying this 2 5 is 25, ये 2 2 is 4, so 25 4 is 100, 7 3 is 21, 21 into 100 is 2100 is the answer. This one is very easy method. This was your 7th one. Now 8th, it's 102, 153 and 119. So again the same method, 102, 119 and 153 असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज कर दिया। तो ये 2 से होगा, सो 2 5s are and 2 1s are, बाकी वो वैसा का वैसा ही लिख देना है। देन 153। नाउ 5 + 1 6, मतलब ये 3 से होगा, 9 + 1 10 + 1 11 नहीं होगा, 5 + 3 8 + 1 9, ये भी 3 से होगा, सो 3 17s are 119, हम वैसे के वैसे ही लिखेंगे क्योंकि वो 3 से डिवाइड नहीं होगा, ये हो जाएगा 3 5s are 15 and 3 1s are is 3। देन 5 + 1 6, ये अभी भी 3 से होगा, सो 17 वैसा का वैसा, 119 also will write as it is, here it will come 17। now it will go by, ये तो दोनों 17 है, मतलब 17 से जाएंगे, ये 17 के टेबल में नहीं आता है, दैट्स व्हाई इट विल गो बाय 17 के टेबल में आता है। 7 1s are 7, 4 and 9, 17 7s are is 119, so here 17, now 17 1 1, therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 17, so 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18, 18, 7s are 7 8s are is 56, 5, 7 the 7 plus 5 is 12 into 17. 17 6 is 7 the 42, 2, 4, 100 and 2. Okay, so 17 602, so 10, 7 2 is 34 plus 10 is 44, 4, 17 1 is 17 plus 4 is 21, so 2142 is your answer. Okay, now ninth one, the last one I am doing, the last question you have to do it by yourself. It's 45, 99, 132 and 165. So 45, 99, 132, 165. So it will go by 2. So 45 as it is, 99 भी वैसा का वैसा ही लिखना है. 2 6 is 12, 1 and 2, again 2 6 are 165. Again it will go by 2. 45, 99 will come 33, 165 as it is. Now it will go by 3. So 15 3s are 45, 33 3s are 99, 3 11s are 3 5s are. Now by 3 again, 3 5s are, 3 11s are 11, 55 as it is. Now 5 1s are 5, 11 as it is, 11 as it is. Here it will come 11 5s are is 55. Now 11 is already a prime number, so 1 1 1 and 1. Therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 11. So it is 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are is 36, 36 5s are 30, 5 3s are 15 plus 3 18, 0, sorry, multiplied by 11, 0, 11 8s are 88, so 8, 11s are 11 plus 8 is 19, so 1980 is your final answer. So now in this question number 2 only last sum is remaining, which you have to do it by yourself. So hereby we complete question number 2 of exercise 2. Just one sum I am giving you to do it in the homework, that is question number 2, last one. Rest all the sums I had done. So this is the method which you have to apply in the coming chapters also. जो होता है उसको करना है, बाकी को वैसे ही लिखते जाना है. सो यू विल गेट द, इसमें इसके जैसा कॉमन निकालना, अनकॉमन निकालना, यहाँ पे सब आ जाएगा एक साथ. ओके, सो दिस question number 2, last question, you have to do it by yourself. Rest I had done. So in the next video we'll do question number 3. Till then, thank you and take care.